Before you buy any OBD2 scanner, watch this. The Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT just changed the game with faster speed, stronger wireless range, and features usually found on higher-end tools. Is it the best mid-range scanner of 2025? Let's find out. Today, we're diving deep into one of Autel's most powerful mid-range diagnostic tools, the Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT. If you're looking for a fast, wireless, and feature-packed scanner, you're going to love this review. Let's get started. Section 1. Product Overview. The Autel MK900BT is designed for professional technicians who need advanced diagnostics without spending ultra-premium money. It comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, super-fast processor, and smooth Android 11 system, giving you laptop-like performance in a handheld device. Section 2. Key features. Here are the features that make the MK900BT stand out. 1. Full system diagnostics, engine, ABS, airbag, TCM, BCM, and more. 2. Bluetooth VCI wireless connection. Work up to 30 meters away from the vehicle. 3. 30-plus service functions, including oil reset, EPB, SAS, BMS, throttle, DPF, injector coating, and more. 4. Automatic VIN scan. Identify your vehicle instantly. 5. Bi-directional control. Perform active tests to quickly find faulty components. 6. ECU coding, basic level. Customize and activate advanced features on supported vehicles. 7. Updated vehicle coverage. Supports cars from USA, Asia, and Europe. Section 3. Performance. The MK900BT runs on a powerful 8-core processor, giving you fast loading times and smooth navigation. Diagnostics run quickly, live data streams in real time, and switching between modules feels effortless. Section 4. What's in the box? When you purchase the MK900BT, you get Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT main tablet, a large 10.1-inch touchscreen, rugged design, high-performance processor, Bluetooth VCI, vehicle communication interface, full set of OBD cables and adapter accessories, standard OBD2 cable, brand-specific adapters for older vehicles, extension cable for flexible access, power adapter and charging cable, fast charging support, international power compatibility, long cable for shop convenience, heavy-duty protective carrying case, user manual and quick start guide. Section 5. Pros and cons. Pros: fast and responsive. Wireless diagnostics. Large display. Covers most vehicles. Professional-grade features. Cons: ECU coding not as advanced as Autel Ultra or MS909. Requires strong internet for updates. Section 6. Final verdict. The Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT is an excellent choice for auto repair shops, mobile mechanics, and even advanced DIY users who want speed, accuracy, and wireless convenience. If you want powerful features without breaking the bank, this tool is absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.